Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with a 1/20 scale rectangle about 16 inches long and 5 inches tall to represent the Ford Ranger silhouette. Mark the wheelbase at 5 inches and plan 2 circles of 5 inches diameter for wheels. These measure placement and balance. Divide the rectangle horizontally 1/3 down for the belt line and 1/4 up for roof height to set proportions. Draw a center line for symmetry and lightly sketch vertical guides for cab, bed, and bumper positions so you can refine shapes without committing ink. Block the cabin as a 5-inch wide rectangle and the bed as a 7-inch rectangle from the wheelbase marks, keeping doors aligned with wheel centers. Sketch the hood as 1/3 of the front overhang and the rear tail 1/4 of the rear overhang so proportions feel truck-like. Use smooth arcs for wheel arches about 0.6 inches above the wheel circles to match Ranger clearance and draw a slightly sloped roofline toward the rear. Refine door seams, mirror mounts, and the A, B, C pillar positions with confident, light strokes. Place the grille spanning 6 inches wide with horizontal bars and headlights 1-2 inches tall on each side, aligning the top of the grille with the belt line. Add a bumper lower lip 0.4 inches thick, side steps about 0.5 inches high, and the Ford badge centered on the grille while detailing fog lights as small 0.3-inch circles. Outline panel gaps of roughly 1.5 mm, use 2B pencil for dark trims, and shade reflections with cross-hatching at 45 degrees, leaving highlights of about 5 mm for realistic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.